Hi there, welcome back. Now let me tell you what I do to take care of my guest in the bar. If you have not seen the previous videos, this video is part of the 7-part series called Steps to Great Beverage Service. You can see the links to all the 7 videos in the description box below. And in case you work in hotels, do subscribe to the channel. We make regular training videos for you, and if you click the bell icon, we will send you a notification whenever we post a new video. Also, if you do not know it yet, you can visit clarifiedbetter.com for starting free certificate courses. That way, with an account, you can keep track of all the courses you have completed, get a certificate and share it with your manager. By doing that, you can progress in your career. The site is clarifiedbetter.com. In the previous videos, we saw how to welcome the guest, take orders, deliver drinks and collect payments. In this video, we will learn how to make sure the guest is having a great time at the bar. It is very simple. Happy guest means more repeat visit. Repeat visit means more revenue. So after you have served the first drink, check back with the guest within 2 minutes. Hope you are enjoying your drinks.
Yes, the drinks are very good. Do let the bartender know.
Change the beverage napkins if it needs a change. Ask for repeat order if the glass is almost empty. Make sure the table is not messy, and empty plates and glasses should be cleared immediately. Also be friendly and have fun while working. Doing all these steps during the service will help us to take good care of the guest table and make sure they have a good time. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also remember to visit clarifiedbetter.com for more courses that can help you in your career.